Hey Lisa, this is Larry Powell. I just wanted to get this information over to you on how you guys can generate more leads for your business. I know you said you guys have tried a bunch of different ways for getting new leads coming in. Primarily, how I help businesses is by helping them develop out their current websites to where these are really optimized for Google search, and we can get this generating leads for you guys. So really the goal is to kind of create this into a lead generation machine to where you guys are just getting a constant flow of leads coming in through your guys' website. So what I've been able to do for you guys today is come up with a quick website audit of stuff that I've seen on your guys' site that I think could help with that, kind of optimizing it out for Google search. Then we're going to look at some high search volume search terms or keywords that I think could generate a lot of search traffic for you guys. These are search terms that people are using and typing into Google that would really pertain to you guys and generate a lot of new search traffic and leads for your business. Then we're going to look at what the competition is for one of those and what you guys have to do to take that competition or take that, those leads that competition is currently getting and drive them towards your guys' business instead. So looking at your guys' website, it's a really nice site. It looks really good. Couple recommendations I do have for you guys. So you have the click to calls, that's perfect. But having a contact form up here at the top of the page would really help you guys out. I like to either have it right here in this header section or the first thing you see as you're coming into this. Having all the home advisor stuff is great, but having that contact form on here, I know me personally as a consumer, when I'm looking for a business to come do a service at my home, I'm looking for that business and come out there and give me a quote the fastest. So by not having to search around your guys' website for that contact form could definitely help with your guys' conversions, so turning people into clients once they're actually getting to your site. The next thing is the amount of content you guys have on this site. Content's kind of king when it comes to rankings and generating leads through this. There's over 200 different factors that Google looks at when determining which website's in that top spot, and content is one of the easiest ones for us to influence. Now, I would recommend for you guys at least 1,000 to 1,500 words of content on this homepage. And with that, make sure that you have some of the search terms you actually want to be found for within that content. And I'll show you some examples of search terms here in just a moment. But overall, your guys' site looks really good. I mean, there's not too much I would do, very minor tweaks here and there to really help you guys kind of optimize this out for Google search. So looking at keywords for your business, this is a tool I use called Ahrefs, and this allows me to do a couple different things. But what I was able to use it for here is finding search terms that people are currently using that I think would be really relevant to your guys' business. So I know when we originally talked, you were talking about general construction, looking at your website. I saw that you guys do roofing. I found some stuff for home improvement, home remodel. So roofing, Connecticut roofing, CT roofing is currently getting 400 searches per month. Roofing contractors, New Jersey, 250. Home improvement contractors, Connecticut, 150. So there's a ton of search volume out there that is, could be driven towards your guys' business. 400 searches per month. That is a lot of search volume that you guys could be, driving towards your business. That could really change, a whole business just from this one search term. Now, with this search term, we had talked about content. So what that means is this is important to have these search terms if these are something you want to drive traffic from within this content. So when people are making those searches, Google knows that, oh, this is something that they've talked about on their site. Let's pull them up in the search results for that. So looking at the search results for Connecticut roofing currently, everybody knows how to use Google, but I like to give you just a quick rundown of what we're seeing here. So first off, this is called Google Guaranteed. This came out in the last 2 years or so. This is just another form of Google paid ads. So you can see paid ads right here. This is definitely an option for generating leads for your business, but you're going to see a lot higher return on investment and a lot more leads coming in if you organically rank your business here in the 3-pack or GMB and organically rank your business here. So there's a couple different factors for how you get your business into this 3-pack. The first one is having a GMB built out for your business. In order to do that, you do need an address for the different cities you want to go after. So you would need a Connecticut address in order to be pulled up for the GMB for this search term. Next, you're going to be looking at citations. Citations is your business name, address, and phone number listed on the web. So some great citation sources you could find for your business would be like a Yelp page or a Yellow Book page. Even a Facebook page, if you list that information, can count as a citation source for your business. And your goal is to be having more citations than what your competition has, because we want to beat our competition out in every way possible. And we do have tools out there to look at what your competition has for citations so that we can make sure we're doing more than that number. And the last really big factor for getting your business into this is your organic rankings. So organically, where your business ranks here plays a lot of weight in getting into this top 3. So looking at the organic search results, when we're looking at this, HomeAdvisor, we don't really include them in the search results just because HomeAdvisor is direct competition with Google paid search. So Google really wants, business owners like yourselves to be paying for their paid ads, not HomeAdvisors. So as long as you're building out a site that is optimized for Google search and is kind of really checking off all the boxes for what Google's looking for, 9 out of 10 times you're going to outrank HomeAdvisor and Angie's List. So looking at your competition today, we're going to look at D'Orgino Inc. And look at their website and what they have going on, and what you guys have to do to pass them up. So I already have their website pulled up here. So looking at this website, it's a decent looking site. Content isn't super heavy. I would say you guys would definitely be good with that 1,000 to 1,500 words of content to really be able to pass these guys up in that regard. Overall, I'm not overly impressed with their site. Looking at the back end of their site, this is where it kind of gets into, the nitty gritty of what really causes a website to rank. So this is looking at what's known as backlinks. And backlinks, the whole internet is built on backlinks, and it's one website linking itself to another website, one business linking itself to another business. And so for you guys, you really want to target having more backlinks than what your competition has, because again, we want to beat our competition out in every way possible. So for them, they have 746 backlinks, and they're ranking for 1,800 keywords, and they have 818 people a month coming to their website. So definitely, there's some competition there. Looking at your guys' rankings and where you are at for backlinks currently, we can see that you guys currently have 187 backlinks. You're ranking for 72 keywords, and you're getting 27 people per month. So there is, definitely that potential for generating more search traffic for your business by increasing those backlinks as well. With those backlinks, you also really want to make sure you're going after industry relevant. So if you guys were to get a backlink from, another home improvement contractor or home improvement related website, that's going to carry a lot more weight for Google and move you guys up in the search rankings a lot faster. So if you have any questions on this, I'd love to reach out and talk to you, or love to talk to you guys more, so definitely reach out. You can reach me at my cell phone. My number is 541-968-7159. Thank you.